It is a concern that we have, and it's a concern for the residents who live here. There's not a meeting that we hold with them where this issue does not come up.
One of the residents also contacting 8 on Your Side, outraged over debris from Hurricane Milton still piling up at their senior living community.
Now they fear what could happen to the loose debris if very strong winds come around. News Channel 8's Polk County Bureau reporter Stacy DeSilva is live outside the estates at Carpenters in Lakeland, where 400 seniors live. Stacy.
Stacy and Keith, happy to report that there were some pickups today after we got involved, but the issue is not resolved. We're told that going back as far as Hurricane Charlie in 2004, the head of this retirement community says that the staff would put all the hurricane debris in this one spot, and the city of Lakeland would pick it up over several visits. This, though, that suddenly stopped, and now in a new hurricane season, the debris remains.
This year seems to have stalled.
Brian Robert is CEO and executive director of the estates at Carpenters, a continuing care retirement community in Lakeland. He says when Hurricane Milton took down 2 large trees and countless branches, his staff knew what to do.
We did what we've always done. There is a form we fill out with the city of Lakeland informing them that there's debris on the campus. We actually take the debris from all over the campus and move it to one location.
And then the city of Lakeland picks it up. Records from the city show 9 debris pickups from February 3rd to April 1st, with 184 cubic yards collected. But more remains, and Robert says it can pose a danger.
Depending on the strength of the storm, it also can have projectiles and damage to buildings and cars and most of all people.
A resident contacted 8 on Your Side with safety concerns, which we passed along to the city. The city's communications director says FEMA regulations require debris pickup on public right-of-way, not on private property.
We put it right where the city told us to, which is where the debris behind me is. And they have every year come onto campus and picked up debris from this location.
A staff member took this picture Tuesday afternoon, showing a Lakeland truck picking up debris after 8 on Your Side got involved.
Not only would we like this issue addressed, we'd like to know what the city would like us to do in future storms.
There are also discrepancies about this service costing money. Robert said that there has never been talk of exchanging money for the service with the city, while the city said that there has been money paid. In the end, the city's communications director told me, quote, "I will get to the bottom of the issue."